Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to kickstart your email marketing journey without spending a dime, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Mailchimp account completely free. By the end of this video, you'll have an account set up and ready to send out emails. Whether you're reaching out to clients, building a newsletter, or just exploring what email marketing can do for you. Let's jump right in and get started together. So first things first, open up your web browser and head over to google.com. I always like starting with Google because it's a familiar home base for just about anything you want to find online. If you ever feel unsure about website links, searching through Google gives you that extra layer of confidence that you're heading to the genuine official site. Next, in the Google search bar, type in Mailchimp. That's spelled Mailchimp. You'll see it pop up as one of the top results. Usually the official Mailchimp homepage is right up there at the top. Go ahead and click on that link to open up the Mailchimp website. The homepage features their signature monkey mascot and plenty of info about email marketing. Now, once you're on the Mailchimp site, look towards the upper left corner of the page. That's where you'll find the Sign Up button. It's often easy to overlook amidst all the graphics and text, so don't worry if it takes you a second to spot it. After clicking Sign Up, you'll notice Mailchimp offers a few different services. There's their standard email marketing platform, tools for building websites, and something called transactional email. For our purposes today, let's focus on transactional email. This option is perfect if you want to send automated emails like confirmations, invoices, or alerts from your website or app. Click on transactional email and you're part of the way there. Now look for the Try for Free button and give that a tap. If you've ever felt nervous about accidentally signing up for a paid plan, rest assured this Try for Free option lets you get started without entering any payment info. Here comes an important part. You'll need to type in your business email address. Even if you're just starting out, try to use the email address associated with your business or professional project. It helps keep things organized, and Mailchimp may use this for verification down the line. Next up is choosing a username. This can be pretty much anything you want, as long as it hasn't already been taken. If you're stuck, maybe use some version of your business name, or even your own name if it's available. For the password, make sure it's strong and unique. Mailchimp will often give you hints about what makes a good password, usually a mix of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character or two. This step is really important for keeping your account safe, especially since you might be storing sensitive contact information. Before you click Sign Up, you'll see a checkbox. This is typically so you agree to their terms and confirm that you're not a robot. Just give it a click. And finally, hit Sign Up. That's it, you've created your free Mailchimp account. Sometimes they'll send you a quick email to verify your address. Just follow those instructions if that pops up. And there you have it. Now you're all set up and ready to start exploring everything Mailchimp's free tools can offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you click that like button. And if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with your email marketing journey.